welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Today we're making coconut shrimp, which is quite easy and very delicious, and it's one of my favorite. So welcome back to my old subscribers and welcome my new subscribers. So first I'm making my sweet chili sauce before I prepare my shrimp, alright? First you're gonna need some water. I'm just gonna add that in. I need some white vinegar. I need some granulated sugar. I'm gonna need some salt and minced garlic. We're also gonna need some red chili flakes. So you're gonna add as much as you want if you like spicy. And we're just going to combine everything nicely together. And we leave this for 5 minutes. So here I have some corn flour with water. I'm just going to add that in. Mix everything nicely. Look at that. See how very nice and thick it is? That's what you're looking for. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove off and leave this to cool. Beautiful. So now we're going to prepare a shrimp. First we need 2 eggs. So I'm just going to crack that open. We're going to remove the eye from the egg. We do the same to the next egg. There you go. Move the eye again. Beautiful. So we're just going to use our fork and just whip that around. Put this aside. Here we have some flour. We're going to season our flour. I have some black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of that. You can use whatever season that you want to use. That's fine. I have some salt. Just going to salt to taste. And here I have some Cajun season. We're just going to combine everything nicely together. Here I have a bowl that I'm going to add my breadcrumbs and my coconut flakes to it. So here I have my breadcrumbs. I'm going to add that in. Here I have my coconut flakes. I love me some coconut. So I'm just going to cut that We're gonna have our flakes inside. Beautiful. And we're gonna combine everything nicely together. And we're gonna set that aside. Here we have our shrimp. Okay, so first what we need to do, get our shrimp, put it into the flour, make sure it's coated everywhere. Nice and coat. So move that, and just shake that excess flour off. And my shrimp were clean and deveined and washed with vinegar, okay? Then we have our eggs. We're just gonna put that in. Just gets everywhere. Nicely coated. Drain that off. I leave the tail on my shrimp. It's very nice when you're biting into that lovely shrimp. You have something to hold on to. Place it in. Use my hands and then we just fold it in like that. Fold, press, fold, press. Beautiful. Press. Lovely. Just gonna show you that. How lovely that is. I'm just gonna set that aside. Beautiful coconut shrimp ready for the pot. So now we're gonna fry our shrimp. So I'm just gonna add some oil to the pot. Now I'm going to add our shrimp to our pot. Take your time and add them in. So now I'm going to give them a turn. Ah, beautiful. This one is coming on lovely. Let's check the others. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Just need a little more time. We can always flip that one over. Nice and beautiful. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the shrimp from the pot. How nice this is. Beautiful. So I went ahead and I placed paper towel to remove the excess oil. I'll be back to remove those. Okay, now that they're nice and golden brown, I'm going to remove them.